So how to turn a photo into a sticker on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra series? Go to your gallery and select any image. Suppose I want to use this image. Press and hold. Then you can see the save as a sticker. Press on save as a sticker. Now you can colorize your photos as well. So I am selecting the original one. If you want to set outline, you can also do it. Press on done. Now this image save as a sticker. Now suppose I want to add this sticker with my this image, then go to the pen icon, then you can see the sticker icon. Select this one, press on sticker. Now press on this photo, then here is the sticker. Now you can drag and drop or rotate like that, and once all done, press on save. Now your sticker add to another image. So that's it. So hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.